Hi, hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
By the way, can you see and hear me well?
Yeah, it's
Thank you
very
so
clear.
much. And by the way, my name is Ron. How about you?
No, oh, my name is June.
Hi, Jin. Nice meeting you
June.
today.
Nice to meet you.
And so far, how's your day?
Oh, fine today.
Wow, that sounds really great. What did you go
Yeah.
somewhere today?
Oh, sorry. Did you
Uh,
go someone today?
did you go somewhere?
Yes. I went to. I went to
Mm-hmm.
go to office. I
I
went
went
to.
to office.
I went to office. Yeah, I went to office.
That sounds nice. But how many hours did you work today?
How many? Sorry. How many
Hours.
hours?
Mm-hmm.
About uh 9 hours.
Wow.
Yeah,
9 hours.
yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh,
So,
really?
mhm.
Oh, 9 hours is long.
oh, 9 hours, I guess, is kind of average here in the
Average, yeah,
Philippines.
yes. I
But in my,
usually work in 9 hours.
I
Yeah,
see.
work at 9 hours.
Uh, but in my case, to tell you honestly,
Yeah.
9 hours is really long because I'm
Yes,
only a part-time teacher because
yes,
I'm still a student.
yes.
So that's why it's kind of long for me to work for 9 hours. I usually work here for only 4 to 6 hours.
Oh, really? Oh, you
Yeah, yeah,
usually 4 to 6 hours.
that's right.
Ah,
Okay.
wow. Yeah.
And by the way, are you
Yes.
ready?
Yeah, okay. Sorry,
Mhm.
would you do me a favor?
Sure, sure.
Okay. I'm doing YouTube as a record of my English learning.
That's really cool.
Oh,
So,
really?
yeah.
Thank you.
So, mhm.
Can I upload this lesson?
Sure,
Okay.
no worries for that
Oh,
one.
thank
It's
you.
totally
Yeah.
okay.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Yeah, it's a really good thing for you to keep on track on your learnings in English, which is
Oh,
really nice.
okay.
Just
Thank you.
you're welcome. So, by the way, June, am I speaking too fast or just okay?
Oh, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly,
Mm-hmm.
little faster. Faster.
Okay. Or you can
Yeah.
say
Please.
a little bit fast.
Little bit fast.
That's it.
Uh, please talk to.
Uh, you can say, please speak.
Please speak more slowly.
That's it. Okay,
Ah,
very good.
thank
Thank you
you.
so much for telling me. You're welcome.
Yeah.
This time, Jen, are
Yes.
you ready?
Okay.
Okay. For today's lesson, you choose pronunciation beginner 2,
Two.
and
Yes.
we will learn about the image of Kagoshima. Am I right?
Yes. Image of Kagoshima. Right.
Okay. So before we start, Jen, would you mind if I'll ask you? Would you like to
Yes.
start revision for the previous lesson or go to the main lesson?
I'll go to the main lesson. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So let's have the main lesson and let's
Yes.
have the first challenge.
Yes.
So please read the whole paragraph. Are you ready?
Oh, paragraph. Oh, sorry. What meaning paragraph?
Oh,
Paragraph.
this one. So paragraph is a group of a sentence that will make a whole paragraph.
Oh, okay.
So most likely it
Oh,
consists of 3 to 5 sentences, and then
yes.
usually a paragraph will only talk about one topic.
One
So
topic. Okay.
for example, if you will make an essay or a report, you
Yes.
need to divide your report into different paragraphs. For
Oh,
example,
yeah.
this paragraph will talk about this report.
Mm.
This paragraph will talk about this report and this
Mm.
report. So
Okay.
that
Okay.
paragraph.
Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome. So do you have any other questions?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So this
Okay.
time, please read the whole paragraph below. Are you ready?
Yes. Okay. Oh, the image of Kagoshima.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. The image of Kagoshima. Kagoshima is Kyushu's southernmost prefecture. It is famous for shochu liquor, clove pork, shirokuma shaved ice, and sweet potatoes. What do people picture in their mind? When they think of Kagoshima, temperate weather and laid back, people drinking delicious shochu and laughing heartily.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay, very well said. So far, so good. You don't have any mispronounced words. But how about you? Do you have any questions about the words?
Okay. Okay. Sorry.
Mhm.
I
Take your
use
time.
chat box as a
Okay.
translate. Okay.
Okay.
Actually,
Mm-hmm.
I've lead this far.
Oh, so you've
Sorry.
already taken this lesson, last lesson.
Yes, but the paragraph
Mm-hmm.
lead
Huh?
lead to 2 days ago.
Ah,
Two
you can
days
say this
ago,
one.
yes.
You can say this one.
Oh,
I've
thank
read
you.
this paragraph
Yes.
2
Thank you
days
for
ago.
correcting my English. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Oh, I've lead
Read.
lad.
Yeah, past tense of read is read.
Yeah. Past tense of lad.
One more time. So it isn't led, read.
Lad.
Like it isn't led, read.
Lad.
Like one more time. Read.
Red.
Very good. That one.
Red. Wow. Right. I've learned this.
Read.
I've read this paragraph 2 days ago. Yes.
Okay, that's right.
Yes.
Okay, so since you've read this paragraph 2 days ago,
Yes.
would you like to still continue this part or go to the next page?
Yes.
So you
Go
would
to
like
the
to-
next page. Okay. Yes.
Okay, which page would you
Yes.
like to start?
Which page? Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay.
So-
Sorry.
It's okay, take your time.
Please
Okay,
continue as it is.
as it is.
Yes. First challenge to continue. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
this time,
Yeah. Okay.
let's have words or expressions. So please repeat after me twice. Okay.
Twice. Okay.
Okay. Southernmost.
Southernmost.
Very good. One more time. Southernmost.
Southernmost.
Very good. Next. Prefecture.
Prefecture.
Okay, very good. Next. Liquor.
Liquor.
Very good. Liquor. Very good. Next. Temperate.
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 Very
Not
good. Next.
T pronounce.
Mhm.
Temperate.
That's right. Temperate.
Temperate.
You can say temperate.
Temperate.
That's right. It isn't
Oh.
rate. It's temperate.
Temperate. Okay.
That's-
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No.
Okay, let's have the next one. Weather.
Weather.
One more time. Weather.
Weather.
Very good. Next.
Yes.
Laid back.
Laid back.
Okay, one more time. Laid back.
Laid back.
Okay, next. Luffing.
Laughing.
Very good. Luffing.
Laughing.
Last one. Heartily.
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 Okay, very good.
Oh,
So,
thank you.
you're welcome. And
Yes.
do you have any questions about the words?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you so much.
I have no question. Not question.
You can say,
I
I don't have
I don't have.
any questions so far.
I don't have any question so far.
That's it. Very good.
Any questions so far?
Okay, so
I don't have any questions so far. Thank
Okay.
you.
you're welcome. So this time, let's have the second challenge.
Yes.
So let's have read each sentence.
Oh,
So
yeah, okay.
let's have the first sentence.
Okay.
So we will listen to an audio. So please
Audio,
listen
oh.
carefully.
Okay.
And you'll practice them one by one.
One by
So
one.
we will try to practice this twice. Okay.
Twice. Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Let's have the first sentence. I'll play
Okay.
the audio now. It starts now.
Now,
The image of Kagoshima.
the image of Kagoshima.
Very good. Okay. One more time.
The image of Kagoshima.
The image of Kagoshima.
Very good.
Mm.
Next, let's have the second sentence.
Okay.
Kagoshima is Kyushu's southernmost prefecture.
Kagoshima is Kyushu's southernmost prefecture.
Okay, that's right. Very good. One more time.
Kagoshima is Kyushu's southernmost prefecture.
Kagoshima is Kyushu's southernmost prefecture.
Okay, next.
It is famous for shochu liquor.
It is famous for shochu liquor.
Very good. One more time.
It is famous for shochu liquor.
It is famous for shochu liquor.
Okay, very good. Next.
Kurobuta pork, shirokuma shaved ice, and sweet potatoes.
Kurobuta pork, shirokuma shaved ice, and sweet potatoes.
Okay, very good. One more
Oh,
time.
thank you.
Kurobuta pork, shirokuma shaved ice, and sweet potatoes.
Kurobuta pork, shirokuma shaved ice, and sweet potatoes.
Okay, very good. Now let's have the fifth sentence.
What do people picture in their minds?
What do people picture in their minds?
Okay, one more time.
What do people picture in their minds
What do people picture in their minds
Very good.
when they think of Kagoshima?
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 Okay, now let's have the seventh sentence.
Temperate weather and laid-back people.
Temperate weather and laid-back people.
Very good. One more time.
Temperate weather and laid-back people.
Temperate weather and laid-back people.
Okay, very good. Next.
Drinking delicious shochu and laughing heartily.
Drinking delicious shochu and laughing heartily.
Okay, very good. One last time.
Drinking delicious shochu and laughing heartily.
Drinking delicious shochu and laughing heartily.
Okay, that's great. Very
Oh,
good.
thank you.
You're welcome. So this time, June, let's have the third challenge.
Yes.
So we will listen to a sample audio and read the paragraph right after. So we will listen to the audio first.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Audio first, after
Then-
say
Ah,
me.
Okay, you can say audio first,
Audio first,
and after
after
I will read it.
I will read it. Yes.
Okay, that's right.
Okay.
Very good. Okay, now I'll play the audio now. It
Okay.
starts now.
Okay.
The image of Kagoshima. Kagoshima is Kyushu's southernmost prefecture. It is famous for shochu liquor, kurobuta pork, shirokuma shaved ice, and sweet potatoes. What do people picture in their minds when they think of Kagoshima? Temperate weather and laid-back people drinking delicious shochu and laughing heartily.
Okay.
Okay.
So this time it's your turn.
Okay. Okay. The image of Kagoshima. Kagoshima is Kyushu's southernmost prefecture. It is famous for shochu liquor, kurobuta pork, shirokuma shaved ice, and sweet potatoes. What do people picture in their minds when they think of Kagoshima? Temperate weather and laid-back people, drinking delicious shochu and laughing heartily.
Okay, that was great. Very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So this time, let's try to practice some linking sounds.
Linking
So-
sound.
Please repeat after me twice, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's have the first one. This one. It is.
It is. It
Very good.
is.
One more time. It is.
It is. It
Okay,
is.
very good. Next, think of.
Think of.
Okay.
Okay.
One more
think
time.
of.
thin-kov.
thin-kov.
Okay,
Thin-kov.
very good.
Oh, thank you. It is.
You're welcome.
It is thin-kov. It is
Okay.
thin-kov. Okay.
So do you have any questions?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Please wait. I don't have any questions so far.
Thank you so much. So this
Thank
time,
you.
let's move on to the next challenge. Let's have time trial.
Time
So in this
trial.
part, I will give you some time
Yes.
to read the whole paragraph, and then we will be having 3 stages.
Okay.
We need to achieve these 3 stages. First one, our first goal is 35 seconds.
Yes. Okay.
Second is 30 seconds. And the last one is 25
25.
seconds.
Yes. Okay.
So this time, Jen, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. So now this time, I'm very sorry. Wait for a
Okay.
moment. Let me check. Let me put the time watch first.
Okay.
Okay. So in 3, 2, 1, go.
The image of Kagoshima. Kagoshima is Kyushu's southernmost prefecture. It is famous for shochu liquor, kurobuta pork, shirokuma shaved ice, and sweet potatoes. What do people picture in their minds when they think of Kagoshima? Temperate weather and laid-back people drinking delicious shochu and laughing heartily.
Very good. Jen.
Wow, really?
Your
Thank
time
you.
was so great. Like you already got the third goal, which is
Yes.
25 seconds, because you finished
Oh, really?
reading the paragraph for only 24 seconds.
Yeah, okay.
27
Yes.
milliseconds. Very
Oh,
good.
really? Thank you. Yeah.
It was great. It was fast, and then also the pronunciation and accent was really on point.
Wow.
Very
Really,
good.
thank you.
You're welcome. So
Oh.
since you already got the third goal, let's
Yeah.
just move to the next challenge.
Okay.
Let's
Next
have the
challenge.
5th challenge, which is overlapping.
Overlapping.
In this part, you will try to read the paragraph with an audio together.
Audio together.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
You will read and then listen to the audio.
Hmm.
Are you ready, Jen?
Okay.
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 In 3, 2, 1, go.
The image of Kagoshima. Kagoshima is Kyushu's southernmost prefecture. It is famous for shochu liquor, kurobuta pork, shirokuma shaved ice, and sweet potatoes. What do people picture in their minds when they think of Kagoshima? Temperate weather and laid-back people drinking delicious shochu and laughing heartily.
Okay.
Okay.
That is great.
Yeah.
But you have some problems with the last word, heartily.
Yes.
Maybe- Yeah, so let's just try to do it one more time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll play the audio now. Are you ready?
One more.
Yeah, one more time.
Overlapping.
That's
Yes.
right.
Okay.
Okay. So in 3, 2, 1, go.
The image of Kagoshima. Kagoshima is Kyushu's southernmost prefecture. It is famous for shochu liquor, kurobuta pork, shirokuma shaved ice, and sweet potatoes. What do people picture in their minds when they think of Kagoshima? Temperate weather and laid-back people drinking delicious shochu and laughing heartily.
That one is
Wow.
much better. Okay, very
Okay.
good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And by the way, Jun, we are done with today's lesson. So, do you have any questions about this textbook?
Do you have textbook?
Any questions?
Any question? My pronouns is okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
So
thank
far,
you.
it's good. But you could also say this one. Is my pronunciation okay?
Yeah, my pronunciation okay. Is my pronunciation okay?
That's right. It's okay. By the way, you could say it like this: pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
That's it. One more time.
Pronunciation.
Okay, that's it. Very good.
Pronunciation.
Okay.
What I say before?
Oh, a while ago, or you can say, you can ask this one.
Yeah.
What did I say
What
a while
did I
ago?
say? What did I say
A while ago.
A while ago. What did I
Uh-huh.
say? A
A
while.
while.
A while.
Sorry.
What
Okay.
did I say? Wow. A while. Okay. What did I say a while ago?
Okay. So
Mm.
a while ago, you mentioned pronounce, and then
Pronounce.
after you said pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
So it shouldn't be pronunciation; it's pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
That's it.
Pronunciation.
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 Okay. So, do you have any questions?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, since you don't have any more questions, let's
Yes.
move on to last 5-minute revision. So,
Oh, okay.
in this part, Jin, you will read today's paragraph one last time with emotions.
Emotion.
Yeah,
Oh,
emotions.
emotions. Wow.
Okay.
Mm.
So, are you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
So,
The-
please start.
Okay. The image of Kagoshima. Kagoshima is Kyushu's southernmost prefecture. It is famous for shochu liquor, kurobuta pork, shirokuma-shaped ice, and sweet potatoes. What do people picture in their minds when they think of Kagoshima? Temperate weather and laid-back people drinking delicious shochu and laughing heartily.
That's great.
Oh, thank you.
Pronunciation was really great.
Oh,
Very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So, since we're done with today's lesson, so
Yes.
this time let's review this lesson.
Oh, okay.
So, for today's lesson, you did so great, Jin.
Oh,
Your
really?
pronunciation was
Yeah.
great.
Oh, really? Thank you.
Yes. You're welcome. But a while ago, I noticed that you're having hard time with the letter R and L.
R-L. Oh.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So you could say this one. Okay, let's
Yes.
practice. R.
R.
No, it isn't L. It's R.
R.
Very good. Like your tongue will
Yeah.
just do like this. R.
R. R.
L. Your tongue will be like this. L.
L.
Very good.
L.
So one more time. R.
R.
L.
L.
Okay, very good. So this time, please read these words.
Yes.
Okay, I'm very sorry. Okay.
Example word.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, this one.
Liquor.
Okay, very
Liquor.
good. Liquor.
Liquor.
Okay, very
Oh.
good. Okay, next let's try with this one. Let's try those words with R and L.
Yeah.
I'm very sorry.
R on L.
Okay, this one. Please read.
Yeah. Prefecture.
Okay, very good. I'm sorry. Prefecture.
Prefecture.
Very good. Okay, last word. Please read this
Prefecture.
one.
Paragraph.
That's a paragraph.
Paragraph.
Okay, that's it.
Paragraph.
Now your R is much better.
Oh,
That's
thank
right.
you. Yes, but
You're welcome.
very, very difficult pronounce is R.
I know you could say
by
this
Japanese.
one. You can say this one. For Japanese people.
Oh, for Japanese people. Yeah.
Okay, just people. Okay, I'm very sorry.
Yes.
People.
For Japanese people.
R
Japanese
and
people
L
R
are the
and
most difficult
most difficult
to pronounce.
to pronounce. Yes.
I
Yes.
agree with that one. Maybe because Japanese alphabet don't have R and L.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so if you want to practice your R and L,
and L.
you can do this one. Say R 10 times and L 10 times. Like R, R, R 10 times, and then L, L 10 times.
10 times.
And then try to read this word. This word, it's a mathematical term, but this word has R and L, like a lot of
Yes.
R and L. Okay.
A lot of R and L.
Yeah, this one.
Wow.
Very sorry.
For Japan people are
Okay. This one.
Parallelogram. parallelogram.
Very good. That's all the time.
Wow.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Like all the
Parallelogram.
parallelogram. Very good. One more time. R
R
R
R
R
R
L
L
L
L
L.
L.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
If you say R, just do like this. R. Your
R
tongue is like this. Okay,
R.
one more time.
Parallelogram.
That's it. It's much better. So just say that word 10 times also. I promise it will be a big help to you.
Oh,
And
thank you. Yeah.
also, June, gomenasai, you don't have enough time.
No. Yeah.
Thank you so much for
Okay.
having me
Thank you.
tonight. You're welcome. Have a great
Yeah.
night. Take care always and see you next time.
Wow.
Good
Thank
night.
you.
Goodbye.
Good night. めちゃめちゃいい先生だったな。め